Angibingelele uThemba lo okhulumayo uMbatha Isibongo. Ngilapha eZululand region under abaqulusi sub-region. Ngise-Ward 10. Sinenkinga e-Ward 10 njengoba ngilokhu ngiyiveza indaba, kodwa-ke ngiza nokunye namhlanje okufakazela lento engilokhu ngikhala ngayo, iy'nkinga esibhekene nazo e-Ward 10. Bekuno live streaming from khona la ku-TikTok from one of our comrades who are running ama-live streaming khona la ku-TikTok. Fortunately the host u-invite usihlalo okanye u-coordinator we-province KwaZulu Natal Babu Mpungos, mangaphusisi Babu Mpungos, usihlalo wakwaZulu Natal u-coordinator. Fortunately wayi-honorisha i-invite, mayi-honorisha i-invite sanikwa i-opportunity okanye inhlangano okanye amalunga anikwa i-opportunity ukuthi akabuze imibuzo ngalama-issues esinawo nama-disputes akhona. Wabuza imibuzo. Unfortunately, like I've been saying ukuthi into esifeylayo thina siyi-province yaKwaZulu Natal, i-leadership ye-province iyona esifeylayo, iyona enama-ulterior motives i-leadership. Obviously ba-influence ama-regions because ama-regions ama-puppets we-leadership ye-province, and then bese ukuthi ama-regions nawo enza the same to i-sub-regions, nama-sub-regions nawo become ama-puppets e-region. So i-problem enkulu la engiyiphikhaphile ku-coordinator we-province, ubuzwe imibuzo kodwa ake ngigxile kulo awubuzwe yimi. Ngenhlahla ngikwazile ukungena ku-live ngabuza umbuzo ngibuzela iwadi engikulu, Ward 10 khona lapha e-Friday. Umbuzo engimbuze wona lo ukuthi besacela ukuthi abantu abangenele in fact ngicela ukuthi sicela ukuthi baqale phansi uhlelo le-selection kwa-Ward 10 because there's a huge crisis and there's a huge outcry. Ukuthi besacela ukuthi kuqalwe phansi because that is a feeling yabantu on the ground. That is a feeling yabantu on the ground. Hence I've been saying ukuthi perhaps if maybe ngeke izilunge besacela i-province yehle yona ize izovota ka-Ward 10 so that izowinisa i-MK. I think that would be the only solution. Ubabu uMpungose ngithema ngimbuza Mpungose noma uNgobese yabo ngize ngiyadideka-ke manje, but one of the two, u-coordinator nje we-province. Ngithema ngimbuza umbuzo wokuthi Nobhala, why nivumela ukuthi umuntu asuke kuyiwodi ahlala kuyo ka-Ward 22 e-Lakeside Friday ayongena kwi-contest yaka-Ward 10 elokishini? Sinaleyo challenge ukuthi kunomuntu o-conteste kwa-10 engahlali kwa-10, anasikho happy ngalokho. Besacela ukuthi kuqalwe phansi i-process yonke nje because even ama-rules like you were saying ukuthi akusiwa ama-guidelines abelandelwa, ama-rules njengoba bekunominate abafolishwanga lawo ma-rules because ama-rules athi bekufanele i-VD ne-VD ihlangane iselecte kuthi bonke laba abaselect ama-VDs wabo and then kuye kwi-common venue whereby sebeya-compete-ke manje bonke labantu from their different VDs. So lokho akwenzakalanga kwa-Ward 10, ngingazi-ke kwamanye amawadi, but i-challenge enkulu leyo ukuthi mina personally ngimbuza umbuzo pertaining to that matter to say why umuntu esuka kwi-ward lakhe ngokuthi ewardini lakhe there is a speculation ukuthi competition was too tight, hence eze ka-Ward 10. Mangimbuza lo mbuzo ukuthi sicela ukuthi akhishwe ohlweni le-list yama-PR. In fact nje process yonke iqale kabusha because even nabanye abasohlweni njengaye abanye baqala bangena kwi-contest ye-ANC bathe mabeluza sebezongena kwi-MK, yabona. So it's not fair. So ngithe mangimbuza lo mbuzo uNobhala we-province, mangimbuza umbuzo loyo wathi kimi no, lokho kungasikhathazi, kungasikhathazi lokho. In fact bangasaphenduli-ke mina kuphela bese siphendula sonke as ama-consent members enhlangano ukuthi no, kungasikhathazi lokho, reason being ama-PR vele awakhethwa ngokwewadi, ama-PR vele akhethwa In fact ukuthi awakhethwa emawadini in any case, so singawari ngalokho. But the question is, why then ama-rules ethe emawadini akhethwe abantu abazoba kwi-opportunity yokuba ama-PR? Why then sinikezwe that misinformation? Why simisleadwa i-province? To ukufakazela lento engilokhu ngisho ukuthi i-province iyona ewushevu kwi-organization yethu. I-province yaKwaZulu-Natal iyona ewushevu. Besacela ukuthi i-National Dispute Committee ingenelele kulolu daba, because sifeyilwa yi-province. Njengoba i-national ithi i-province ayidile nama-issues, iyona i-province edale yonke lento. So besacela ingenelele i-National Dispute Committee ize eFriday baqulusini lapha ko-10 kuzoreranwa, because izinto azenzakalanga kahle. Hence sicela ukuthi beze bona bazovota ke, o-coordinator nabangani bakhe, they must come down bazovota ke, ngoba manje ngendlela abenze ngayo umphakathi awukho happy. And as I've been saying, umphakathi uza kimi ukhala kimi because i-majority yabo yimina engibajoinisa inhlangano. So beza kimi bonke and bangikhetha as i-leader yabo about 2 years ago. So they trust me as a leader yabo. So besacela honestly speaking ukuthi i-National Disputes Committee ayize izolungise indaba yaka-Ward 10 Zululand under abaqulusi sub-region kwa-Ward 10. Besacela i-National Disputes Committee ize, because this is an exceptional case. One would ask ukuthi iphi dispute? Yes, i-dispute futhi again, the reason why dispute ingaveli, it's simply because i-leadership ye-ward iyona ngithi bikhukha lento ne-sub-region ne-region. Ebona beyikhukha yonke lento ukuthi kungene abangani babo, kungene bona vele from your ward councillor to ama-PR, kungene bona base befaka ke nomngani wabo ke ongekho kwi-executive yabo. So besacela ukuthi nizosilekelela, nanokuthi ke futhi enye inkinga ukuthi in the past sesikhale kaningi. In the past sikhalile besikhethisa 2 years ago, whereas i-constitution yayithi strictly ke-appoint umuntu o-capable, umuntu o-suitable ozolida i-organization ngokuthembeka. Bona basikhethisa because they were hoping ukuthi abantu ababalobhishile bazo-outnumber umuntu ababengamfuni, which is myself. Unfortunately kulawo ma-elections wabo ababenze illegally, be-breacha i-constitution yenhlangano, imina enga-image ngayi-reporta leyo nto kwi-region ukuthi hayi i-sub-region benza iphutha, sibakhuza bathi akunominate instead of ba-appoint, bathi akuselethwa, I mean to say aku-electwa. I-region did nothing about that, meaning into yabo yonke le iphekwe yibo bonke, i-region, i-sub-region ne-province. So i-province isifeyilile. Besacela i-National Disputes Committee ukuthi kube yiyo engenelelayo izosilekelela, ngoba ngempela sihlukumezekile su-Ward 10, sihlukumezeke kakhulu, hayi kancane. And lo muntu lo osuke ewadini lakhe wazo-contesta ngapha uke waba yi-PR kwa-ANC, wangenela ukhetho kwa-ANC as i-ward council, wadliwa, meaning lo muntu akekho popular. So now sekumele eze kwa-10 azongena azoba yi-PR ngamavoti akwa-10, irrespective ukuthi singakunaki ukuthi akekho ewadini, vele akusebenzi ngewadi i-PR. But then why nisimisleadile nasitshela ukuthi asikhethe emawadini? Bekufanele naye akhethwe lapha, even if akusebenzi lokho ukuthi iwadi liphi ma u-PR, kumele ayokhethwa ewadini lakhe ka-Ward 22 Lakeside. Besacela, we humbly request ukuthi ingenelele i-National High Command. Sizamile in the past izinto eziningi bebezenza i-region ne-sub-region si-complain bengayi-resolve. So there was no way ukuthi beso-trust ukuthi this time around mangena i-dispute izo-attenda, because basifeyilile on many occasions. Lastly, kunali message okanye i-announcement ekifetsa o yetsa hore ne re kopa hore bo masipala kaofela ba konima ke di-office ka hore MK yatla a re nya go fitla go di-officing re kreye di-office di tlhakatlhakane, di-office di chila a re utlwang le di chila. Ne re kopa hore ba konima ke so that re fitla re kreye di-office di skoon ka hore a re nya ke mafela like I said hore mafela a re khone operator, a re khone function mo go na leng mafela. Ka lebo.
Ngicela abahamba noma abavotera noma abasupporta uComrade Cebe Inkosi beze ngapha uComrade Inkosi.
bathi comrade Thuthukani bazofika.
Abacomrade Thuthukani beze ngapha.
Masibuya ngapha ngisho ngibambe inamba yabona. Ngoba nje ngibuya ngapha nonke.
Mkontokwaza. Hey, senkingeni comrades la. We've gathered la park as we were invited by the province ukuthi they're gonna do a rerun of the nomination process. There was no dispute with regards to the processes and the guidelines that were given. But leadership let's do a rerun because their preferred candidate did not win. So we've come again here. And here the comrades naba now the province iyanqaba and the deployees banqaba ukubala ngenxa yokuthi na le candidate labo again alinawo ama numbers. So angazi ukuthi nokunqamalala ngasiza ngani. Maybe just to take you through a little bit what about the process, and I was chosen by everyone who was there. And after having been chosen, must figure sewenza ama verification ngafika ukuthi kusubmit igama le comrade that was not even present. That comrade ucomrade Sawukelo wabeze naye namhlanje. After bathi ke kuzoba ne rerun because the other comrade bathi bekaya emngcwabeni. But angazi ukuthi na there is such in the guidelines. So now we've gathered again and we are still asking them. There they are. We are still asking them ukuthi nasibaleni comrades sizoqeda le process again. Ayabafuni ngoba ama numbers ale candidate lawo still aliba support. Unqamalala siyacela ukuthi asilekelele la province la eMkhondo kubi kakhulu. Lama from sub region all the way to the province. They want this candidate by hook or crook because now sesishayebo layini sabacela ukuthi akubalwe. They are refusing and they've got no grounds to say abafuna ukubala. There they are. We've been asking them sesize sashamazwi asking ukuthi cela ukuthi basibale so that we conclude indaba yama nomination esambeni. Ngiyabonga comrades kodwa I hope ukuthi na sanity would prevail on them ukuthi na you cannot force umuntu ebantwini abangamfuni. Ngiyabonga comrades. Ilanga le rerun namuhla ucomrade Sawukelo labamfunayo akanabo abantu manje naba ama deployees ayanqaba manje ukubala naba abantu so banqaba manje ukuthi akubalwe ngoba ama numbers abanawo le comrade abafuna nawo amanye ngapha namba abantu. Yes. Comrades iyo into esibhekene nayo eMkhondo sicela ukuthi unqamalala sisize ngayo. So kuriraniwe not because bekune any dispute ngawina ngikhetho yibo bonke abantu. Iyaphinda iprocess bayabona ukuthi le comrade laba nawo ama number naya ama deployees lapha na wafuna ukubala yibo bonke abantu laba kumkhonto wesizwe. Iyona nkinga esinayo unqamalala la ngalabantu aba deployed noma laba abaphethe province la. Naba abantu baba naba abanye baningi naba ya kodwa ke abafuna ukubala ngenxa yokuthi lo ya comrade lo abamfunayo akanawo ama number naba nje abantu baba besigejana lapha yana. Siyacela enqamalala usize umkhonto lana uyofika nge-17 ungasekho uma sizoqhubeka siyekelela abantu benze lento abayenza la. Ngiyabonga Gwaza Mkontokwaza. Naba abantu athi ke befikile abantu abasupporta mina abantu bomkhonto wesizwe yibo laba comrades and iyahlehla ke process ngoba again ucomrade Sawukela kanabo abantu. That's the only thing ehlehlisa meeting namhlanje hayi ukuthi na kukhona okunye banqalibile nje ukubala kwaze kwaba ukuthi ke bathi hayi umhlangano bayawuvala But the only thing ekhona ukuthi na uComrade Sawukela kanabani.
Wethu Comrade ngiyambingelela. Lona uNdumiso usekela nobhala weMandeni subregion. Bafowethu, umbutho womkhonto wesizwe siyawuthanda kakhulu, siusebenzelile ngokuyikhandla nokuyinikela. Sinethemba lokuthi umkhonto wesizwe uzowina nge-2/3 majority. Njoba sasithunyiwe ukuthi siyosebenza. Kuye kube nzima ke comrade uma ubhizi uyinikele. Kuvele kube khona nje abantu abazodonsa lamandla akho phansi noma abazozama ukudestroya. Lapha eMandeni thina besinethemba ukuthi siyowathatha wonke amawadi o-20. Mhlawumbe iwadi eyodwa bizosinikeza inkinga nje uwadi 1 wangakithi lo kwaphatha inkatha lokusaba khona ongekho lula nawo, kodwa besinethemba ukuthi sawusebenza ukwazi ukuwineka. Kodwa ke into la isikhomba khona njengamanje, mhlawumbe amakhansela esoba nawo umkhonto wesizwe medlulile ku5 comrades kobe kukhulu kakhulu. Lokho kakudalwa nje ukuthi abantu abawuthanda umkhonto wesizwe, abantu bawuthanda umkhonto wesizwe is their last hope. But senior leaders ezinye izinto abazenzayo is to destroy umbutho, and I don't think they care. It's all about themselves, but it's not about people, it's not about iMandeni, it's not about the rebuilding. There's cracks akhona kulewa masipala nasendaweni yangakithi. Ama-cracks akhona adalwe ilento yamatafula ukuthi uma uhamba nosibanibani wena noma ebheda ufanayo, uma uhamba nosibanibani noma ebheda ufanayo. And iyona into ezodestroy umkhonto wesizwe if ingawudestroyanga manje njengoba siye kwi-local government election ngo-2029, lonto izocrackisa umkhonto wesizwe biggest damage. Kodwa ngiyamthemba ubaba njengoba wayesho ukuthi wonke ama-structures akhona interim structures. Mhlawumbe uzoyibona le ngokuthi uMandeni idliwe ingawusingawuphathi lo amkhandlu ukuthi nampa abantu abanesandla abadale lento abaguduze babeke eceleni. Umkhonto wesizwe unakho ke ukufana nolwandle uma ngabe kade kunetha izulu kugcwele izibi nodoti lweyisefa. That is why uzobona emkhontweni kuno SG abangaka abafikile. Kunabantu abafikile ukuzoyipositiona ukuthi bebe nethola ama benefit, mhlawumbe bafuna ukuya emkhandlweni. Abanye bafikile bathunywe enemy ukuthi bezolekelela ukuthi bekwazi ukudestroy umkhonto wesizwe. Abanye abafikile they don't have a vision, a dream, they don't have direction. Le ideology kababa umsholozi baphumile babheke eceleni. Kuningi masosha. And le nto isiqedela uthando namandla ukuthi noma singathiwa sizama kangakanani, but mangabe kukhona abantu abangaphezulu kwakho noma ama leaders amanye enza izinto ongahambelani nazo, ubone ukuthi laba akikho uthando lokuthanda umkhonto wesizwe, basebenzela nje omunye umuntu noma inhloso yabo ukuthi be destroy umkhonto wesizwe. Kodwa nokubona ama comrade nothi ngasho uma ngabe eMandeni sihamba ngalendlela esihamba ngayo comrade, trust me, believe me, ngeke sidlule ku5 noma ku6 kwabantu sowina nawo. Nginamawadi engingathi mangiwasho manje ngithi lenge sibuye nawo, 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 lenge sibuye nawo. Nginitshele futhi ukuthi izathu nazi edala lokho ukuthi lenge size sibuye nayo. But makubiza ukuthi thina njengamanje kulo 74 days osele siyahlangana sibe into eyodwa, sishone egroundini siyokhuluma nabantu, shout door to door, sikhuluma iqiniso ebantwini lele silaziyo kukhona okungenzeka. If asikwenzi lokho comrade, kobe kukhulu masibuye nama councilor of 5, kobe kukhulu kakhulu. And ningithembe mangabe ngisho njalo, I'm not a prophetic somebody, but I foresee things ukuthi mangabe kuhamba kanje kuyala, makhamba kanje kuba la. And abanye baba abantu mina bayebebuye bebuza ukuthi awuzwide wawusubone kanjani ukuthi kuzoba kanje noma I foresee things ukuthi uma ngabe khamba kanje kanje. And fortunately enough ngeke ngaba nethuba lokuthi ngibe umphathi ngibe manager kwi-industry keke ngoba thina phela noma singafundile into etheni, so ngiyakwazi uku-analyze noku-understand abantu ukuthi ufanele uthini kubantu yini mangabe be-discourage kuba njani. But maku-discourage thina as leaders kwi-ground force ile engazi nje ngalutho ngepolitiki, not ukuthi singama-expert epolitiki engazi lutho ngepolitiki. But ke mhlawumbe umkhulu ngelinye ilanga uyayibona lento ukuthi nampa abantu ababulale umkhonto wesizwe, and if beqhubeka bebesemandleni u-2029 comrade so bese sihlekwa abantu kuthiwa le nto yenade ngigijima nasanitshela sathi sitofela sakaZuma kobe sekwisitofela ngempela ngoba it's gonna be the end of umkhonto wesizwe. Abanye bayipositionela imali nje ukuthi bona bayodla amathenda nobani. It's not about people, it's not about ukuthathizwa, it's not about ukubuyisa umnotho kubantu. It's all about a certain individual abafuna ukufulfill their dreams and their wishes ukuthi bekwazi ukuthi bebe right. Abanye abantu bahlulwa isikole ngesikhathi kufanele befunde bathemba ukuthi ipolitiki yona ezobanikeza iphalish nesinkwa. Abanye angibazi ngizochaza ngithini but bazi ukuthi nje mangene kwipolitiki ngayipositiona ngisondela kubani mangiseduze kabani ngizothola lokhu. Umuntu ezedele ubuzibulo bakhe ngenxa yokuthi nje into ayigaqele yinye qha iposition. Kodwa ke sanethuba lokuthi sishintshe senze kangcono subuyise lo mkhandlo wasemandeni suphathe. And yonke lezi siphithiphithi esenzakalayo asenzeke kuphela emandeni kona wonke ama sub region. And angazi noma kubonakala akona emandeni kuphela kuyaphithizela yonke indawo kunezinto nje ezenziwa abantu abazenzayo kunomanga. And comrade le language yokuthi njaha ukodla iyona into ezobulala umbutho womkhonto wesizwe. Iyona into ezobulala umkhonto wesizwe. Njengoba umkhonto kuyi last hope, let's go and govern ngendlela ekuyiyona singenza amaphutha enziwe ilabanye abantu ade besiphethe. And kunabantu abaphuma ku-ANC that are angry abajombele emkhontweni bafuna ukufulfill their wishes and their dreams abangakwazanga ukuzenza ka-ANC. Lokho kuzolimaza umbutho kuzobulala umkhonto wesizwe. Umkhonto wesizwe only our last hope. After umkhonto wesizwe comrade akuboni lokho libe khona uyobona sekunama independent 2001 bezama. And nalabantu abathi basemandeni ukuthi uma ngabe umuntu engabekwanga ngoba ucandidate akaselectwanga nokuba kwi-PR list usephuma uyojoin independent. Ngiyafisa ukuthi abantu bakithi bangamlandeli umuntu onjalo ngoba lo muntu lowo it's all about himself. Beze la emkhontweni ezela ukuthi ebekwe kwiposition ukuze kwazi ukondla ingane zakhe. Miyekene ehambe kwi-independent yedwa engavotelwa umuntu uyophinde ebuyele emkhontweni siphinde singamfaki futhi emandleni. Because lo muntu uyabonisa ukuthi is not for umkhonto wesizwe, is not for people, it's all about himself ukuthi uyayikhulisa. Nize ningabalandeli. And even nomuntu odicampaigner umkhonto wesizwe ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe ufail udoti ayikho lento ongathini. There are some people abasemkhontweni abangenzi kahle abadiscourage amanye ama comrade egcine ephelelwa amandla but ungasithatha isinqumo sokujoina any other political party or uyojoina i-independent. Umkhonto wesizwe it's our last hope. And I mean when I say it's our last hope, alikho elinye ithemba esinalo. Siyathemba ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzomgcina nje ubaba uNcamalala isikhathi esithe ukuba sijana till size sikwazi ukuthi siphathizwe ngempela ekwazi ukusilekelela namava akhe umuntu omdala esikhulise thina abanye abancane nalabo benza kabi begudluke kusala abantu abazokwenza into ekona. Amandla gwaza umkhonto wesizwe gwaza 4 November siyovotela umkhonto wesizwe.
Ngibingelele comrade ngiyathemba niyaphila bafethu ngiyaphila nami. November 4 kuyavota eSouth Africa ama local government. Umuntu nomuntu une-right okuyichoosela ukuthi uvotela which organization ine-right for yena ukuthi ngakwazi ukummela kuma local government. And kubalekile ukuvota because ila uveza khona ukuthi uyisakhamuzi sangempela and futhi esidinga ukuthi sinakekelwe ekhantrini. Ivoti lakho comrade lisho into enkulu kabi ungalithathi kancane. Ngibona abantu belithatha kancane athi umuntu no I'm not going to vote. Bese uyayibuza ukuthi bengayikuvota nje ucabanga ukuthi uzovotela ubani uzokhuluma kanjani ungavotile. Awunasiyi phela uma ungavoti. But ivoti lakho likumele ukuthi you can say whatever because you are a citizenship of South Africa. Angidlule lapha. Comrade kona lesisaba khona emkhontweni ubona ukuthi manje we are well trained soldier. We expecting a lot of things ukuthi ngenzeka ke manje umuntu go back to South Africa to fight. Yebo. Uthi sengayiwa ekhaya kuyoliwa. Kodwa lokho akwenzakalanga. Wafika uCamp Commander. Labolala khona i-MK comrade wethu ayemkhulu okuthiwa army commander wathi efika wathi comrade iyavalwa igerilla warfare kuzotrainwa i-regular army. I-regular army-ke kusho ukuthi lamasosha lawa asifana no-National Defence Force ukuthi udefend i-country. Kanti thina sasotrainela indaba yokuthi senze sabotage, i-hit and run, guerrilla warfare, i-hit and run. That's why isosha liyi-1 lomkhonto wesizwe litrainela ukuthi liyilodwa la masosha awu-100. Mawubulala isosha elilodwa lomkhonto wesizwe bushuthi busubulele lapho amakhampani awu-2 ngoba ikhampani yenziwa amasosha awu-100. Nasubulale amasosha awu-2 usho ukuthi ubulale amakhampani awu-2 emkhondweni. Ilafika khona wami command uJoe Mdisi wathi ongafuni ukuba kwenza irregular formation akabe ngalayo usezoshuthi lo muntu asabhilonga emasosheni sebhilonga ANC. Wathi abafuna ukuba i-ANC ngala abafuna ukuba amasosha ngala. Ila kwaphuma khona kwaphela khona umkhonto wesizwe because lokhu i-MKI infiltrate kakhulu abantu abarong. Ubasho wathi uJoe Mdisi wathi asikhohlwe futhi ukuthi solwa thina ekhaya. Ubekhaya ngeke silwe soshaya abafazi babelunga ama-tutus. Asikhohlwe thina ukuthi singalwe ekhaya sameni sekhaya. So enjoy impilo. Abelungu basilindile ekhaya bagcoka amabhikini ababhaliwe ukuthi I love MK wena uthi ufuna ukuba dubula. Ubani wena ungalwa namabhunu. Isada futhi alena for 3.5 hours under the sea discuss with the future MK njalo soldier. Njalo i-National Defence Force usizoba protector i-country after i-ANC thathile i-country. Usefuna amasosha azodefend i-country not azosabotage i-country. But asikhohlwe thina ukuthi singalwa namabhunu. So bathina singalwa namabhunu. Ila wathi phela khona ngomkhondo wesizwe amagerilla amaningi adecide ukuba i-ANC. Sa-end up enkambi mhlawumbe sasala saba yi-200. Kuhamba thousands and thousands amagerilla aboyela ekhaya. Ila kwaze kwafa khona amasosha-ke sesuka eMazimbwe eDar es Salaam eyogibela ibhanoyila kwaginqa khona ibhasi kwafa amasosha amaningi. Yasungeneleke umdlwembe ku-ANC ngaleso sikhathi sebethingiwe amabhunu. Joe Mdisi was one of those people who destroy MK. Ngoba nala eSouth Africa sathi sifika wathina sinikeza 735 rand to survive. How you can survive with it really look you 735 rand a month? Wathi thina siyazi imali siphume ehlathini. Masinikezwe imali enkulu sokwenza izinto ezirong. Ilapho amabhunu asithatha otherwise khona ngazange asirespect even today because esadayiswa ecaleni sidayiswa i-leadership kamkhonto wesizwe. Umkhonto wesizwe bekunzima comrade. I-punishment yomkhonto wesizwe bi-harder. Thola lwenza insanga emkhontweni was a grave crime. Abantu udobhema insanga emkhontweni kwangacompromise awuyinto ehlahla. Watshelwa ngisho kwi-biography yakho kuthiwa no ungayibhemi insango uzathola insango icala lakhe alithethwa nanokuthethwa. It's a grave crime ukubhema insanga emkhontweni. Engavumelekile insango. Mawuthola lwibhema wazozuba ne-punishment ya 24 hours. Senze ukuthi ufakwe esihlahleni awupanishwa ngale ndlela ehard.
You know, my one worry with us as Abantu Abamnyama is that we have become so used to playing politics that we don't know or we can't imagine a society or a lifestyle without politics, or in fact without political parties. Yabo. We've become so dependent on political activism and political party formations. We've become so dependent on the idea yokuthi we need to rely on a political party to change our status quo or to change our plight. We've become so accustomed ekuthenini we vote people into power, and if this person doesn't do the will of the people, we'll vote him out, and then, oh, this one is promising, we'll vote for this party. Oh, this one is promising, oh no, this party will is disappointed, let's vote for. We've become so invested in this idea of party politics that we have completely lost sight of what is the objective of politics? Isn't politics administration? Why do we need to administer izinto? so that there is order in the manner that we distribute resources. There is order in the manner that we share resources, so that everybody gets an equal share of the resources that the country produces. That is why we need politics. That is why we need an administration. Kodwa, that ideology does not only subscribe to political party formation and the idea of a centralized government where the power rests with the executive and the legislature and so forth, and the partyless system, and basically the system that we are reliant on like South Africa. That is not just administration. Administration is also the ability of abantu to administer themselves. Uyabona mesingaphuma kulomqondo sabantu abamnyama ukuthi we need to be governed, and we then start governing ourselves. Illa inhlupheko yophela khona. Ngoba yini i-objective yepolitiki is to make the lives of people better. What do we want ultimately? Siyabantu. Impilo zethu ukuthi zibe ngcono kunalento eziyona manje. Impilo zeingane zethu zibe ngcono. We want more opportunities. We want more infrastructure. We want a healthcare system that works, education, electricity, running water, the basics. And we want the right to pursue our dreams, the pursuit of freedom, the pursuit of dreams. We want a better life. That is the whole idea of why we would want ukuthi kube khona ipolitiki nabantu abasiphethe. Kodwa mase sibone ukuthi labantu abasiphethe abenzi ngendlela esifuna ukuthi benze ngayo. Then what do? We govern ourselves. We take back the power. So what ake siyibuzeni ngempela, sifunani kahle kahle? Sifuna impilo zethu zibe ngcono yini? Yebo noma cha? Uma sithi yebo sifuna impilo zethu zibe ngcono, singenze njani ukuthi impilo zethu zibe ngcono? Sibonile uhulumeni ukuthi it's been tried and tested ukuthi uhulumeni awunandaba nathi. So what do? Let's take back the power, because ithina esibanikezile lawo mandla. Asiwathathe back ike. And then we govern ourselves. Ngike ngenza umzekelo la ngathi if singafaka u10 rand siba u51.6 million sabantu abamnyama sifaka u10 rand every month, that is 516 million rands every single month. That's just a basic example. That's just a basic example of starting into from scratch. See, and administer that amongst ourselves and ensure accountability, ensure transparency, ensure ukuthi everybody knows what's happening. Everybody has a share in what we are doing. We could change so much, bafethu. So I guess ibuzeni lento ye and multi-party politics and abantu be-EFF, abantu be-ANC, abantu be-DA, that is just further stirring division. And kusakude ukuthi sibe nento that we can call our own kule lizwe, sisa believer in this doctrine that we are believing in bafethu. Ngicela ukuyibuze la ukhona ukuthi kahle kahle yini esifunayo? Do we want our lives to be better, or do we want to keep on playing politics? Hey.